Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the RFS build and that your device supports UI edits. Once verified, back up your settings so you can revert. Next, launch a flight and pause on the screen you want to change. Make sure to note the active HUD layout. It matters. Then open the in-game settings menu and select Display or HUD options. You will begin by disabling obvious HUD toggles. This immediately removes overlays while preserving controls. Now you dive into the middle steps where precision matters. You disable map, waypoint labels, and instrument overlays one by one to isolate each element. Doing this prevents unintended loss of crucial info. If a full hide option is missing, reduce transparency and scale to effectively remove clutter. Make sure to switch camera to cockpit or external minimal view when available. Once done, confirm controls still respond. This avoids breaking your HUD-dependent inputs. To finish, save the HUD profile and perform a short test flight to verify that the screen is clean and controls remain functional. If the game doesn't apply changes right away, force close and restart the app. Sometimes the renderer caches overlays. If the HUD persists, restore your backup settings, then repeat the disable steps more selectively. A key troubleshooting tip: check for active mods or external overlays. They often reintroduce HUD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.